Hello everyone, I am a teacher from Washington Elementary School, Catarman 2 District, Division of Northern Samar, Region 8, Philippines. As a teacher, it is my great responsibility to guide my students towards achieving the best that they can be. Meeting the changes and challenges of the 21st century is one of the most fulfilling accomplishments a person can achieve. Being chosen as one of the deputy scholars to take this course is indeed a privilege. Through this, I am confident that I will be able to help my students develop their knowledge, skills, attitude, and values to succeed in their studies, in their work, and be productive members of the society. Now, I am ready to take the first step toward this goal. I am willing to develop my personal and professional readiness as a 21st century teacher